Check how amazing this is, everybody. These boys here, these boys, they came to ask me for bait for sardine. And check here, I gave them of my bait, and this is what they caught. Check how exciting is this, boys. Huh? Wat ek gegeet? Ja, nice, plesier man. Jo, geniet het. Yo, how amazing is that, everybody? You see, people, yo, you see what a great blessing we can be for one another. Ek is nou so excited, my dag is gemaak. Nou so excited, daar is het babes. Hy het nou net gekom hier na my toe. Toe sê vir my ankel, ek het die byt nie. Het ankel niks visie. Wat daarmee vang ankel sê kom ek het sardine. Hy kan van die sardine kry. And look at that. That is the awesome God that we serve. Kyk hoe excited is hy like. Yo, hy sê ankel, is hy sardine wat ankel my gegee het? Yo. Nee, onze dag is gemaakt, everybody. Nee, seriously. Onze dag is gemaakt. Die joy op hy kinders se gesigte, raso. Ja.